In this video, I'm going to show you how you can index your Drupal site content in Search API with ChatGPT. This will allow you to enhance your content search on the site, allowing you to query information such as that stored inside PDF documents, or for a commerce website, you will be able to ask questions and interrogate information about your products. Hi, I'm Yanni Boy. I'm a developer at a company called Freely Give, and as a company, we've been researching how we can take new AI tools such as OpenAI and ChatGPT and use them to enhance the user experience of our Drupal websites for our clients. One of the things we've been looking at specifically is how to index Drupal content into Search API using vectorized token storage such as Pinecone, and how to be able to index large files such as PDFs, which might have hundreds of pages of data, but allow that to be passed on with ChatGPT queries so that ChatGPT can analyze and respond to that data and follow certain tasks. So in this video, we're going to show you two examples of this, one using resources, which are PDFs that have been stored in the site, and one using a shop, which has some made up products. And without any further ado, let's dive straight in. So these resources are town council planning meeting minutes, so to speak. They are freely available from UK government websites. Particularly, this is the Epsom Town Hall Council Chamber meeting notes, and these PDFs can be quite big. This one, for example, is 60 pages long, but they can be over 100 pages. Now, to demonstrate this, I'm going to take a case study, which is the Green Gables development plan. The Green Gables development plan is the demolition of an existing building and erection of two linked two-story buildings. This gets discussed in meetings, pros and cons, and community impacts are analyzed. So rather than reading through all of those notes, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to tell me about this project. So my question for ChatGPT is going to be, what is the Green Gables project? We've got this custom block that comes with our module, and we've got some configuration in here. And this configuration is basically just setting up how we're going to use ChatGPT. We're using the GPT-4 language module. We're giving it a system role. So this is us telling ChatGPT what we expect them to do. So we're going to be helping find resources and provide links and references. And along with that, we are going to be passing these indexed bits of content. And let's see what we get out of it. So ChatGPT has understood our prompt and has been able to look into the documents and summarize for us. The Green Gables project is a proposed plan for the demolition of existing buildings at Green Gables and the erection of two linked two-story buildings. So it's been able to read through the reports, understand what our question is, and give us some information, which is really useful, but we can use it to get even more helpful information out of it. For example, if I ask a question like, according to the resources, what are the benefits or reasons for the Green Gables development? It can actually break down a summary of the reasons for the development and give me a bullet-pointed list. On the flip side, it can also do the reasons against the development. So here we have some reasons such as it's contrary to local plan policies, it'll have an impact on drainage and flooding. This is not quoting from the document directly, this is actually summarizing from the information we've submitted with it, which can also be very helpful for people trying to find out exactly what is going on. And we can also ask it which resource actually mentions the development. And it will give us a nice link specifically to which document we're looking at and linking us to the attachment. Alternatively, we can have a look at a simple commerce shop that we've just set up some products. So for this particular demonstration, we have given the products some prices and we've given them just some simple text. Now we're passing this simple text onto ChatGPT, but the power of this is that this text does not have to be on the page. Most shops don't have detailed descriptions of their products on the listing view. However, what we are able to index this and pass it on ChatGPT regardless of what we're showing on the page. So for example, I can make a very simple query for what is the cheapest product? And it will come up with the answer that the cheapest product is the factory t-shirt. Now, normal search can do that. You can sort things by price, people can find this. That's not particularly helpful. However, one of the powerful things here is that when you are optimizing your web shop search for what you expect people to search for, you might add details like something being ethically made or sustainable or fair trade. But you don't necessarily know what people are going to search for when they are looking for products. As an example, I've created this jungle t-shirt, and in the description we say, we pay our workers a fair wage to produce it. So that is some information that we're going to give ChatGPT. And the question we're going to ask is, are any of the products ethically made? Bearing in mind, we're not telling ChatGPT that the jungle t-shirt is ethically made, we're just telling it about the wages of the workers. And we get, yes, the following products are ethically made. The bodysuit, where we have actually said this is ethical in its manufacture, and the jungle t-shirt. So ChatGPT is able to discern that these products are ethically made, even though we haven't told it those words. We've just given it some information about the t-shirts. Now, we think this is very powerful because it kind of helps you to optimize what people are looking for. We can have natural language searching of products, and ChatGPT does all the heavy lifting in terms of interpreting what people are looking for. And you can also do some things that are a bit silly, but again, highlighting the fact of natural language search. We've got this bodysuit, which is a full bodysuit for men. And if I ask ChatGPT if there is something that will cover my legs, it will tell us that there's a full bodysuit. So we've not mentioned what bits of the body this covers, but it is able to work out that a full bodysuit would also cover your legs. Now, this is barely touching the surface of what you can do and accomplish on your website with Search API and ChatGPT. There are obviously lots of ways of incorporating this into your website and providing value to your customers. And the user interface that we've built is basically very rudimentary, a proof of concept at this point. But we hope that this kind of demonstrates to you and gets your imagination going a little bit on just what you could achieve with this. For example, we could have this view automatically be filtered by ChatGPT. We've already started working on applying the questions only to visible products. So we could have a filter on this for t-shirts, and then our questions would only be applied to the products that are actually visible here. And we're going to continue investigating this and updating you on our progress. So we hope you found this interesting, and do be in touch. We'll put how to get in touch in the description. And if this is interesting to you, feel free to contact us and we can collaborate on this. Thank you very much. Goodbye.